What the hell? Is she gonna shoot? You freaking believe that? Look at the traffic tied up behind them.
We ain't going.
Come on, you stupid bastard. Look at this dumb broad.
Oh my God. We can't work.
You freaking believe that's what I mean about Canadians. They don't give a shit. Dumb bastard. You got it on sound?
Look at Lori.
You tear her up, huh?
Oh my God.
What are you doing? Look at this building here.
Which one?
Hmm?
Oh, yeah.
Can you believe that shit, Dad?
I can't.